If you are working in the scientific laboratory, it is very important to be aware of the various types of water available. Depending on which experiment you're doing and which type of water you're using, the purity may not be acceptable for your specific experimental applications. I know in most labs, there are generally two types of water piped into the sinks. However, other water modifications can be done to suit a specific experimental application. In this video, we are going to look at the 5 main water types that are applied in experimental applications in both biological laboratories and chemistry laboratories. The 5th type of laboratory water is diethyl pyrocarbonate water, abbreviated as DEPC water. DEPC treatment of water inactivates nucleases, rendering the water nucleases free. However, this isn't permanent, and therefore your water can become contaminated later on. This type of laboratory water is more applied when using specific molecular biological techniques like qPCR. Number 4. Reverse osmosis water. Reverse osmosis is a process of purifying water by using osmosis in a reverse to remove not only ions but also microbial and organic materials. Application for reverse osmosis water include making buffers. It is used in mass spectrometry applications. It is also used in preparation of culture media for bacterial or cell culture growth. It is used in high performance liquid chromatography HPLC application, and also used in general molecular biology technique for PCR and cloning. Number 3. Deionized water. Deionized water is just what it sounds like. The ions are removed from the water via a filtration system. You can use this water for more than just washing your hands. Deionized water is acceptable for a few scientific applications such as making buffers. However, you should filter most prepared buffers with a 0.45 micrometer or a 0.2 micrometer filter, especially for buffers that are going to be stored for longer term. Another application of deionized water is cleaning and rinsing dishes as a final wash. Number 2. Distilled water. Distilled water has impurities removed through the process of distillation. This water is basically condensed steam from water that was boiled and cooled. However, impurities within the water can have lower or similar boiling temperatures and can also gather alongside your pure water. Therefore, it is important to have a more reliable source of pure water than distilled water, because the impurities in water can ruin an experiment, so keep it clear. Number 1. Industrial water. Industrial water is non-potable water that is not safe for consumption. It is not filtered and is considered dirty. You can use it for general applications such as washing machines and toilet bowls. You can also use it to clean lab dishes, but not as final wash. Definitely don't use it for any scientific experiments. I basically use this water to wash my hands and rinse the lab dishes a couple of times.